Tears, pain, you never left my side. You remained the same, and I'm so glad that you love me.
Hey everybody, it's Tayshawn Miller. Today I am doing a review for the company Sassina Hair. I hope I'm saying the name right. Or Sassina Hair. I think that's what it is, Sassina Hair. So they emailed me and asked me to do a review for their hair, their clip-ins. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the review. So they did send me 2 boxes, and it comes in this gorgeous, cute little pink box. Of course, it's gonna be reusable, so I'm gonna be using it to put something else in here. The hair comes here. It is a 12-inch. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. It also comes with a comb, and I love these combs. I got plenty of these combs from 2 other companies. It comes with some extra clips, 2 extra clips to be exact. Yeah, 2 large clips look like, and a cute pair of eyelashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna open up the hair. So here's the hair. So although it's a 12-inch, it's still pretty, it's not as short as I thought it would be. So I'm just removing these little gold bands off right quick so we can go ahead and see exactly. The hair feels nice though, and I'm actually pulling through it, and I'm just trying to see if, I'm sorry I had my hands over the light. I was just trying to see if it's nice. Okay, so the first piece, okay, there we are. Much better. Child, I'm half sleepy. Look, y'all, I never get sleep, but I've definitely been getting no sleep. Look at these Gucci bags up under my eyes. Yeah. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I was opening this, and I told you all that these were I think I said it was 5 clips, but it was actually 1 stuck on there. So the first piece here, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. So that's the first piece. The second one that's on there has 2 pieces. There's another second one that has another 2 pieces. There's one that has 3 clips. It's wrapped so tight, y'all. So that's what's the hold up. Another one with 3 pieces. And another one with 2 pieces. And then one with 1 piece. So I do have a treat for you guys, because I'm here to help y'all do things quick, okay? Nobody don't want to be clipping these clips into their hair and, you know, taking all that time. So sis, why not clip them on a cap? So I have never seen this done before. I don't even know if it's gonna work, but guess what? We're gonna find out together. So I have here a wig cap that I purchased from my local beauty supply store, and it's a make it your own wig, and it's the braided cornrow cap. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it, show you guys what this cap looks like really quick. You guys see these in the store all the time. They have braids on them, right? So if my plans, I'm sorry, give me 1 second. Okay, so I'm back. So if my plans go according to, we're gonna turn this into a clip-on wig. Also, it comes with some clips so that you can, combs, you can sew into here. It's just 2, I believe, or it's 3. So I'm guessing you can put 2 in the front and 1 in the back. 1 on each side, left, right, 1 in the back. Okay, guys. So unfortunately, I had to change mannequin heads. You guys know the video I did a few days ago. I was blessed with this new mannequin head from Yibo. Make sure you check out that video. This mannequin head is like a lifesaver. I love it. I've made already 3 wigs on it and I love it. I had to change it though because my tripod is still broken, and also it won't, for some reason, it won't fit the hole that's on here. So the only one it will fit is this foam styrofoam head mannequin. So I'm gonna pull this back too so you guys can see a little bit better. So I'm gonna start off with this first piece, and you just wanna open up the clips, push back like so. This one's already open. And I'm gonna start here. Now, since these are braids, this should work because they're already braids, so. And it works. Y'all, I done started something, y'all. I done started something. You hear me? I done started something. I'm the first person to do this, so I don't want nobody saying, oh, it's their method, they did it. No, baby, you saw this first. Tayshawn Miller. Whoa, y'all. Oh my God. So that's the first row. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up the other pack so that I can have 2 rows of each. So we'll have 2 of the rows with the 4 clips in it. Let me go ahead and open this. Okay, now I'm gonna do the second row with another 4. This is from the second pack, of course. Now, of course, on your head, you'll probably go ahead and put this on first. You know what, guys? I'm gonna just go ahead and show you so I can speed it up and don't take all day, and just let you guys see. All right.
Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. 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 Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. I give all my sins to the Lord, and He promised to take good care of me. And I could never doubt the Holy Spirit. When I felt Him, all I could do was believe. Yeah. I don't take nothing for granted. I know the seed was planted. I don't need Molly or Percocet. I get it right how I live. I wanna live in the light, just like a candle be lit in the night. I don't want none of that purple. I don't do well with the Sprite. Line, yeah, 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 yeah. We going to the finish line, yeah, yeah. Is you really with the team? I don't know. We gon' find out in the end. We gon' see, yeah. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. 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 Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. I give all my sins to the Lord, and He promised to take good care of me. And I could never doubt the Holy Spirit. When I felt Him, all I could do was believe. Yeah. Call me crazy if you doubt the Father. Figure out the facts, you feeling like you got it. Chopper loaded, aiming at the enemy. Do you really know your enemy? I'm just asking, answer honestly. Seem like we lies, it's all a facade. I don't want none of it. We made a covenant to never think about nothing but loving it. I got the spirit like I'm sipping Hennessy. Most people Christian, but ain't really living. Condemning the spirit, the law, the life. They just want that ignorant. Pop a pig, Instagram, flex a bed, dark room, lot of lights. If you ain't popping no lights, like y'all gotta be kidding me. There's more than life, I'm just vanity. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. 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 Forgive me, Lord, I'm a sinner. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. I give all my sins to the Lord, promised to take good care of me. And I could never doubt the Holy Spirit. When I felt them, all I could do was believe. I was deep down like a scuba. Then he picked me up like a Uber. I was deep down.
Okay guys, so I am done. You all, just dropped the box. You all are probably wondering, how am I gonna cover up that? I got you, just hold on 1 second. Just trying to comb it to make sure we don't have no gaps anywhere. See how much I love you all? I'm doing this in my room, not even in my hair station. Okay, so for those of you that are wondering, y'all don't laugh, I got a plastic bag to go on my tripod. That's the only way it gets up. So for those of you who are, y'all know them little cheap closures that you get when you buy bundle packs of hair, they give you a little cheap closure. Don't throw those away. I have like 1,000 of these, literally 1,000 of them. And you can just sew it. You can either put those extra clips that they gave you and sew it on, sew the clips on here, one on the left and one on the right, and clip it down, or you can sew it down on your wig. The choice is really yours. But I'm just gonna just show you guys really quick how we're gonna, and I wanted it to be like a little side part thing, so I'm just gonna put that T-pin. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt her. Okay, and these are cheap closures. They can be plucked in the very middle. So that's what I would do to this. I would pluck this in the very middle. But here's your wig. Cut your lace off. You have to cut that lace off. You see that? You gotta cut that off. And I would pluck that hairline a little bit. But overall, this wig is absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. I love this hair. It's so pretty and it's soft. As you guys can see, it's nice. It's really, really nice. So I definitely want to thank Sassina or Sassina Hair for sending me these clip-ins. I absolutely love them. It's beautiful. Can't wait to see what this wig looks like on. Yeah, and that's it. I thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.
Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. Lord, I'm a sinner, forgive me. Lord, I'm a sinner. I'm gonna pray until something happens. No more out of life.